Hi, my name is Dan Gomez, and I'm a debt relief attorney based out of San Diego, California. Often, when people have high credit card debt, it's difficult to see a way out. I'm here to tell you that there is a way out to settle your credit card debt with Bank of America. In my debt relief law practice, about 1/3 of my clients are deep in credit card debt. Bank of America is a lender that I negotiate with often. Once your credit card debt becomes unmanageable and you can't make the payments, then Bank of America will pressure you with a lawsuit. So let's talk about how to settle your debt with Bank of America and avoid a lawsuit. For instance, I have a client who used a Bank of America credit card to help with his business. Unfortunately, the business failed and my client was left with a $37,000 credit card bill. Bank of America assigned the debt to LTD Financial Services to collect on the credit card debt. We negotiated with LTD to settle the account for $11,350. We saved our client just under $26,000, which is a 70% savings on the balance due. A Bank of America credit card debt settlement can be reached even if you've already been sued for the debt. When you can't make your credit card payment for 180 days, Bank of America will charge off your account and your credit card account will be considered in default. At this point, you will probably get sued for the credit card debt. Lawsuits are expensive, so the credit card companies want to avoid them if they can. This serves as an advantage to the borrower when negotiating a debt settlement. Another advantage is that Bank of America considers charge-offs as a cost of doing business, and they receive tax benefits for the written-off debt. So if you are sued and find yourself defending a Bank of America credit card lawsuit, a debt settlement could be a win-win for you and Bank of America. A settlement is a negotiation between you and the credit card company, Bank of America in this case, that you will pay back a usually greatly reduced amount of the original debt that you owe in one lump sum or over an expanded period of time. Bank of America would rather negotiate a debt settlement for your credit card debt than have you declare bankruptcy and receive nothing. For instance, our client owed Bank of America nearly $8,500. As they often do, Bank of America handed the debt collection over to a creditor law firm, Hunt and Henriquez. We were able to negotiate a debt settlement of $4,500 payable over a 7-month period. Our client was pleased to avoid the unnecessary headache of fighting this out in court. I'm often asked if you have to hire someone to settle Bank of America credit card debt, or if you can do it on your own. Technically, anyone can settle a debt on their own. If you have a small amount of credit card debt, you might want to take a stab at it on your own. If you want real success, then you need to hire an attorney with a proven track record of successfully negotiating debt. Someone who has a relationship with the banks and knows some of the answers to these questions, such as, should you disclose your financials? Is the offer you receive the best you're going to get? What makes this a valid offer? Does it need to be in writing? Is the written offer valid and binding on all parties? Be aware of debt settlement companies who are often involved in scams. Debt settlement companies are not held to the same legal and ethical obligations as a debt relief attorney. Plus, if you are sued by Bank of America, then an attorney can defend you in a court of law. A debt settlement company cannot and will refer you to an attorney who might not give your case the special consideration that you deserve. Now that you know more about how to settle debt with Bank of America, I want to share another huge benefit of debt settlement for credit card debt. Once you've completed your debt settlement, your credit score will likely start to increase. Our client owed Bank of America $11,130. After explaining her significant hardships, Bank of America offered to settle the matter for $3,000. Our client paid approximately 27% of the amount due, saving a little over $8,000 on this account. Now that her debt settlement is paid off, her credit score has risen significantly. If you are ready for your phone to stop ringing with debt collection calls, it's time to look for legal debt relief help. Once you've retained an attorney, the debt collectors can't contact you anymore. If you are sued, an attorney will defend you, but more importantly, an experienced debt relief attorney will put forth every effort to ensure you don't go to court in the first place by settling your debt with Bank of America. Do you have more questions about settling credit card debt with Bank of America? Give me a call for a free consultation at 858-217-5051 and we can go over your debt relief options. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you know somebody that needs a little help getting out of debt, be sure to share this video with them. For a free consultation, visit GomezLawFirm.com.